Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Today we are going to discuss uh, about the notices served by the police, particularly in the context of the Tandav web series producer director has been served a notice by the UP police, and the UP police has registered a case in Lucknow at Hazratganj police station, and a similar FIR has been registered in Mumbai at Ghatkopar police station. So, in this regard, today we will discuss if someone receives a notice by the police, what are the options and reliefs he has, and we will also discuss how many kinds of notices can be served by a police officer and investigating officer, and what is the punishment if someone fails to appear before the police investigating officer. So let's start. The first thing is how many kinds of notices can be issued by a police officer. So there is a provision of notice under section 160 of the CRPC, and notice under section 160 of the CRPC can be served by the police officer if any FIR has been registered, and then to investigate the crime, the police officer can send the notice to the concerned person, and the concerned person uh, will be given the descriptions and details where he has to come for the investigation, the date, time, and the place. Similarly, a notice can also be served under section 41A of the CRPC. Section 41A of the CRPC has been inserted in year 2008, particularly after the judgment of uh, Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar, uh, uh, to reduce the arrest of the person, particularly who are arrested in the domestic violence or 498A case. So in this domestic affairs, if somebody, if because generally the court found that many ailing person, many relatives who are distant relative who have no concern with the domestic affairs of the accused, they are wrongly implicated, and that is why the Honorable Supreme Court has given a direction that in cases where there is no need of arrest, police can simply, after getting a credible information or a reasonable suspicion, they can ask for the accused to come and help them in their investigation. So these are the basis for the 41A. Particularly, it is sent particularly in matters where any case is registered under section 498A or any domestic violence case. Similarly, there is another provision where a police officer can send notice, which is 91 section 91 CRPC. But this is not for a person. This kind of notices are sent particularly to bring any document or object before the police for investigation. Now, since an FIR has already been registered in Lucknow and Mumbai regarding the controversy, and the police has served, so what options he has? Since the police has served him a notice under section 160 of the CRPC, so the concerned person has a right to has been given 2 weeks time. In this 2 weeks time, he can either quash the FIR, in which he can pray before the Honorable High Court that the contents of the FIR are do not have any merit, or he can take bail, or he can take stay on the investigation by the Honorable Court. He can also pray for bail in the honorable High Court or District Court. So these are the way. In case if he fails to appear before the police investigating officer on the prescribed date and time, he will attract a penal provision under 174 of the IPC, where imprisonment of 1 month or a fine or both can be imposed upon him. So there are 3 kinds of notices as we have discussed, and if you are getting any notice from the police officer, you must go. However, if a person is getting a notice, he can avail the services of his advocate. However, the advocate would not be with him, but he can be in touch with him whenever he needs. So this is the provision, legal provision. You can take help of your advocate if you're going for an investigation. So this is all about the notice. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel to get the latest legal news, case laws and judgment. Thank you for watching.